Hi, my name is Jennifer Torres, and I am here to talk to you about a few things that I would love your company to invest in. Have you ever been tired or confused when you come out of a training room? Um, or have you been confident and smart? I've had cases where I have come out of training where I just want to go home and sleep, and some at times I have come out where I just want to get to practicing, get to try out the new programs that I have learned in training. So, training and development is super important for all businesses, and I believe that every business should really invest in their training and development because it improves the performance of every employee. So, today I just want to go over what training and development really is, what the different training methods are, and the importance of post training. These three elements will definitely improve your business. So let's go ahead and start with training. Training is actually a learning process compared to development. It's very short term, it's job oriented, it's where an employee will learn the skills that they need to be that employee that you are looking for. While development actually focuses on the overall growth of the employee, and it's a long term view. So you're looking at what your employee could become in the future and set them up for the future. So training and development actually results together. They result in higher productivity level. They improve performances for your company. The employee turnover decreases. There's less accidents. For training and development, there are four main roles. You have your administrator who schedules everything, a consultant who analyzes what types of training is needed. You have a designer who creates your material, and your instructor who will teach all of your material. Now, there are three forms of training. You have on-the-job training, off-the-job training, and virtual training. And all three are super important, and you can use any one. So let's look into on-the-job training. On-the-job training is actual real-time work environment. It's time consuming, but it's very inexpensive. Your employee will learn while they are actually performing the job. Off the job training is actually done in a classroom. It can get expensive because of the documents or the training information that you do need. However, it can lower risks once they actually get to the actual job. In the environment. Virtual training is just very convenient, it's flexible. You have immediate feedback. You can do a quiz and they can get their answers if they got them right or wrong, so you can see where they are if they have learned anything. So these are three different forms of training, and every company can do what fits best for their employees. You don't have to go with one specific. You have different things for different employees. Now, the important part, and this goes with the development, is the post-training, where you look at technology changes, mentoring, and you have to analyze employee performance. So with technology changes, you can have upgrades to machines, you can have upgrades to collaboration tools like new emails, especially in this pandemic. We're using a lot of Zoom, a lot of people had to learn that, upgrades in programs, and mentoring is another type of training. You have somebody that knows the job that can show somebody that doesn't know the job and help them work through their difficult stages and keep them motivated to continue, and they can get advice from them. So the third part is analyzing performance. You need to know how the job performs. You need to know what skills your company is lacking, what your company actually wants, and how much costs and benefits you have. This is an important organizational where you can find from your performance gap, you will find what you need to train and what you do need to train in, what you don't need to train in, but you need to analyze all of this information. So training and development together bring quality employees. They increase job satisfaction, it decreases turnover, employees are just ready to work. So, my challenge to you is to invest in proper training and development for your company. And my name is Jennifer Torres, and I'm here to help anytime.